Hey everyone, so it's JJRex9. I reached 200 subscribers recently, as most of you might know. So today I'm going to be solving 200 cubes, like I said. This video, I wanted to upload it a long time ago, but I'm just now working on it. The problem is I only have 4 cubes I'm going to be solving, and I'm going to be solving 200, so I got Jacob here to scramble them. Thank you so much for doing this. You can sit anywhere, like maybe on the floor, I guess. I don't know. So I have this counter, so every time I solve, I'm going to press on there. Alright, I think it's time to start. Let's get these cubes scrambled. The counter is at 0. It's time to start. I'm only on solve 9. Dang. Way easier to do that now. So we're at like 19 now. I remember it took me like a whole year to get like 20 subs, honestly.
Yeah.
My channel's progression is slowly but surely happening, and that's awesome. Thank you guys again for all the support. If you guys want me to do any more specials, just tell me down below in the comments. That'd be nice. So yeah, let's continue on. I'm on cube number 20 now. Uh-oh, I messed up. Oh man, we're on 40. I remember last year I got 40 subscribers on my birthday. I was so happy about that, y'all.
Solving them too fast.
Alright, I'm at 50. I'm only done with a quarter of this. And 50 is a quarter of how many subscribers I have. I remember when I hit 50, my channel started growing very slow after that. I started getting like literally 1 subscriber every 2 months or so. And now I'm getting like 10 subscribers per month or something like that. Or not 10, like 5 subscribers every month. When I used to get like 1 every like 2 or 3 months. 63. Whenever I was at 63 subscribers, that was the worst time on my channel ever. I was actually really thinking about quitting YouTube at that point. Because I was stuck at 63 subscribers for 11 months. Not a single subscriber in 11 months. Which is insane. And I was like, I just wanted to quit. And I was just angry. I was like, no matter what, it just won't work. So, I think whenever I started, my channel, like, got revived. I think that's when I started to make, like, 2 videos a week. Which I don't anymore because, school, that was during summer when I didn't have school to deal with. But before school, I was able to make 2 videos a week, almost. And then also Fortnite was another part of my channel's revival. And if you guys want me to do more Fortnite videos, just comment down below. Oh, I forgot to do the counter for that one. Anyway, yeah, 63 subscribers was just the worst time ever of my channel. And then out of nowhere, I just got like 20 more subs. So yeah, that was nice. Okay, the video just randomly stopped recording. But anyway, yeah, just comment down below if there's anything you guys want me to do whenever I reach, like, 200, I mean, I'm already at 200, like, the center cut there, like, where's it at? Oh, never mind, it's right here. Alright, that's 101. Okay, I'm just now noticing that we're at 150 solves. My goodness, Jacob, you scrambled these cubes about 146 times.
This is really tight. Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home, kids. Jacob has scrambled 146 times now. I got a pop and I didn't even turn great. Yo, I'm really tired. It's like 12 in the morning here, I think.
Yeah, 12:33 right now. Technically, it's 12:34.
Okay, we're at 190 solved. 10 more. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's been so long since I've been out of this room.
I know. You should drink some water. I got you some water.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. Yes, I'm on my last solve. Oh my gosh. Yes, last solve.
How do you feel about this moment?
Uh-oh, I knocked this over. I feel great because this took forever. Where's my stack map? I'm gonna do this last one time. Where is it? There it is. Okay, we did it. This took, how many hours? This took almost 2 hours, y'all. Oh my god, that was so hard.
This phone definitely wouldn't have lasted if we weren't charging it. Yeah.
I'm up for the first time in a while.
Where are they? Right here. I told you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's probably gonna end up being really long for you since this ended up being really long.
Man, this is probably longer than any live stream we've done.
Nah.
Besides the Undertale.
Or the Steel Titans. Anyways, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. It means the world to me that you actually care about my channel. I didn't think anybody did, so it's amazing. If you have any more ideas, just post them in the comments down below. Below the description. And
I hope you're having a good day.
Me too.